everyone. So today we learn to make a newspaper bag. Why we need a newspaper bag? Because nowadays we need so many bags to bring vegetables, grocery, and we can't reuse these bags. You know why? Because we have to take care of this virus. So we have to throw the bag after using. So newspaper is a handy thing. We have ample newspaper at home, so we can use this newspaper. Now take any of newspaper, just spread it fully. First step, what we have to do, we have to take a 3-finger gap, or say about 2 inches gap on the top, and we have to fold it. Just make a pocket, small pocket, fold it properly, neatly. Now flip this one. Second step, we have to make 3 equal parts of this newspaper. One part, this is the whole one, then 4 second, this way. Done? This much. Now third fold. Just watch carefully. This part we have to insert in the pocket, the small pocket. Now again make proper crease. Turn it. Now divide this length into half. Just divide this length into half. Fold it properly. Make proper crease. Now again we have to insert this part in the pocket. See, in the pocket we are inserting this part of newspaper. Now you can see this one part here and one part here, and there is a pocket. So this newspaper is very sturdy. As you can see, no Fevicol, no gum, no scissors, nothing is required to make. You can make it anywhere, every day you can make it, and can make as many as you want. Now this is a basic bag. Now if you want to convert into a carry bag, then we can thread it. For thread, you can use any of the macram dori. See, I have a couple of macram dori, and either you can use sutli or any cord, whichever you have at home. Now next step, we have to make holes to insert a dori. For these holes we can use a scissor, or we can use this one, whichever is convenient for you. Now just make sure, take a center, set a center. Now we will make holes. This newspaper is very thick because we have multiple layers, so we can use scissors here. Be careful and use scissors to make holes. Make 2 holes for both the layers. I'll show you. One hole here and one hole here. Same way, other side. One hole here and one hole here. Now threading part. We have to insert thread with the help of a scissor, small scissor or pencil or pen, anything you can use. See this way. Now second part. This way. Now make a knot, simple knot at the end to hold the cord. I hope all of you know how to make a knot. I am making a double knot for double assurance. Yeah, as you can see, knot is ready. Now one side that is done. Now other side. I'll use this scissor. Believe me, this newspaper is very sturdy, very fast to make, very easy. We can make anywhere, in office or at home, or even we are standing on the road and we don't have anything to carry vegetables at home. You can buy or borrow a newspaper from anyone and you can make on the spot. Yes, no need to carry a plastic bag. Size depends upon the size of paper we are using. So as you can see, the bag is almost ready this way, and I'll show you. Bag is very sturdy. I'll show you. Bag is ready. Now it's looking so simple, huh? We'll decorate it. What we can do, we can use any colored paper or any decoration, remaining decoration, old greeting cards, old wedding cards, anything we can use to decorate. So I use a colored paper. I have some plenty of color paper. See, this is a colored paper, marble paper. Paper is used for child craft. Now fold it. I'll show you. First fold. Okay. Now second fold. Now third fold. This way. Now we have to cut it from outside. Just make a shape of any leaf or petal or a heart, whatever you like. Cut it in this way. Or you can use any ready-made decorations also. Now open it. Yeah, it's ready. So we can stick with any of gum, Fevicol. We can use just a little drop and stick it here. We can make multiple flowers also and decorate as much as you want. So here I made one bag with colored paper. See, this way. For gifting purpose, you can say, you can put anything, any gift, and gift it to someone. And what I made for, for as to use as envelope to keep money or a paper. And this one is, I'll show you, this a little smaller one. This one is with mid-day paper. A small paper, small bag, bigger paper, bigger bag. So we can insert anything in this. I'm using this to keep my diary. And as you can see, I'm using sutli in this. So friends, you can make multiple bags with these techniques. This is very simple and please try at home. Thank you.